What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bonin Vargas and you're watching Zebianmnl. Alright, so before we go to the awardee, or bago ko ipakilala kung sino yung first awardee natin ng ating leather play button, explain ko lang kung ano yung nakapag-inspire sa akin dito sa paggawa ng award na to. We all know, especially as a content creator in YouTube, na nagkakaroon ng awards once makakuha ka ng at least 100,000 subscribers, which is yun yung Silver Play Button Award. Ang ginawa ko, para maiba, yung Leather Play Button Award is para dun sa mga tao na nakapag-inspire sa akin, na nakikita ko nakakapagbigay sa community nila. Be it either in the vlogging community, in their different kind of fields. So, as long as content creator ka, and we can see you in YouTube. So, without further ado, here is our first awardee, and he is NICOLO.
When I was a little kid, I wanted to be a fireman or a scientist, but I ended up doing this. I am NICOLO, illustrator and graphic designer. And in this channel, I'll be uploading illustration tutorials, process videos, time-lapse, fun projects, and stuff like that. Want people to love your artwork and make a living out of it? Here are my top 5 tips on how to be a successful artist. Hi, I'm Nick, illustrator and graphic designer. I've been designing for quite some time now, and I've worked with international brands and big names in the entertainment industry. My first tip for you on how to be a successful artist is you must have time. Having time to draw is the most essential thing as a growing artist. Allot time for yourself and practice your skills and do some sketches. Whether you're at home with your friends or on a vacation, you must have a sketchbook with you. The more drawings you have, the more you can track your progress. Sa totoo lang, hindi talaga madali mag-start ng isang clothing brand. Kung tatanungin mo yung mga clothing brand owners ngayon, hindi sila basta-basta mag-open up lang sa mga ganon. Kasi pinaghirapan din nila yon yung mga trade secrets nila. Pero sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga sekreto paano magsimula ng isang brand. To start off, pag-usapan natin kung ano yung branding on a personal perspective. Para sa akin, yung brand is a matter of telling a story. May tatlong bagay na kailangan para ma-start natin yung brand natin. Una is a brand name, pangalawa is your logo, and third is the purpose. So, ngayon, mag-isip ka ng unique brand name na magre-represent sa sarili mo at may strong meaning para sa'yo. As what I've said earlier, a brand is just like telling a story. Diba, yung isang story may title yan. So dapat, yung brand name mo, yun yung title ng story mo. This way, kasi maganda kapag may story behind sa brand mo. It's something you can tell to your customers. Para sa akin, maganda kapag makakaagaw ng atensyon yung brand name mo. Kung puro kalokohan lang at hindi mo pinag-isipan yung brand name mo. Pero in the long run, mahirap yan. Kung mag-isip ka ng brand name, kailangan unique. Kung maaari, wala kang katulad. Your brand has to have a purpose. A purpose helps you set goals for your brand. So, you have a path to follow to start. Yung purpose mo, yung sasagot kung bakit gusto mo magsimula ng sarili mong brand. So guys, tatanungin ko kayo, are you in for the short term or long term?
Alright, so again, our very first awardee of our Leather Play Button Award is NICOLO. He is a Cebuano artist, but he is currently based in Dubai, and he is actually the owner and creator of Nick Automatic. Tapos may partner siya, yung The No Good Crew. Tapos sila yung bahala dun sa sales dito sa Philippines. Kaya ako na-inspire para gawin yung first award na to and ibigay natin kay Nicolo is, if you were going to check his channel, which is NICOLO NIMOR also in YouTube, meron siyang mga tips doon kung paano mag-start with your first or with your clothing brand. Actually, na-inspire nga ako eh. Gawa din kaya ako ng clothing brand ko. Anyway, ibang kwentuhan na yun. So, ayun. Hindi kailangan sobrang laki ng subscribers mo para maging winner ka ng ating YouTube Leather Play Button Award. For me, yung pinaka-main category ko is yung passion mo, of helping others para makatulong ka sa ibang tao. Yun yung isa sa mga nakita ko na meron talaga si Nicolo. So again, congratulations to Nicolo Nimor for bagging our very first Leather Play Button Award. Inisip ko nga lang kung paano ko mapapadala papuntang Dubai. So again guys, this is Paul Bonin Vargas of Zebianmnl. Don't forget to like, comment, and share yung video na to. Lalo na kung meron kang nominees or pwedeng i-nominate for our Leather Play Button Awards. Iniisip ko gawin natin every 100 subscriber, tsaka ako mamimigay ng Leather Play Button Award. So, I would love to know your nominees. Kasi, sasalain pa natin and I will check din kung ano yung contribution niya sa YouTube and sa ibang tao. So, ayun. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit that like button. Diyos mabalos.